Today I'm going to share one of my favorite phonics lessons with you. It's how to spell k at the end of a word. There are three primary ways to spell the k sound. C, K, and CK. Now, more advanced readers and writers may know a couple of other spelling combinations, but for this rule, you just have to know these three ways. So, at the end of a word, we almost never use the C spelling pattern. C is usually not found at the end of the word unless it's a multisyllabic word ending in ick. That's a more complex spelling pattern than the words we're going to be talking about today. So, first of all, we have sock. How are we going to make the k sound in sock? CK. But do you know why? CK is only found at the end of a syllable, and CK must be right after the short vowel. So here's my short vowel ah, and k is spelled with a CK at the end. How about this word? Milk. How are we going to spell k in milk? Well, o is spelled with a K. Think about that rule that I just gave you. CK must be right after the short vowel. Well, here's my k sound, but my short vowel is way over here. We use K at the end of words if the k sound is not right after a short vowel. So since we have o, k, we use a K spelling. How about this word? Bike. B-I-K. I hear my k sound at the end of the word, and it is right after a vowel, but I'm still spelling it with a K because CK goes after a short vowel. Bike has a long vowel. Our I is saying I. So therefore the k sound has to be spelled with a K. How about the word sneak? We're getting that k sound at the end, and it's right after our vowel. But remember, it has to be after a short vowel. So I'm getting a K because my E is saying E, and it's the long vowel sound. So when you're spelling the k sound at the end of a word, you really just have two choices, K or CK. CK goes at the end right after a short vowel. For your other options, if it ends with a k, you're going to spell it with a K.